I need to get these babies in the car. Coilovers. Now I gotta get Doggy in the hatch. Doggy in, tools in, and we are good to go. Let's head to the shop. Alright boys, we got the car jacked up, setting up the air hose right now. First plan of attack is to get these wheels off. I'm just gonna do the fronts first. So I gotta get these two wheels off, then we can drop the suspension. There's just two bolts up here, and there should just be one locking collar bolt down there. Suspension, shock, whatever coilover should come out, no worries. As long as those bolts aren't too rusted, which I'm praying to God. We're gonna make them as high as possible to start, and then maybe go a little bit lower. Oh God, no. Okay, thank you, Lord. All right, now we gotta get this locking bolt. Where is it? It's on this side. That bolt right there to get these coilovers out of here. Oh baby, she's out. Monkeys. So unfortunately I'm having trouble getting these coilovers out. So for the time being I'm gonna go ahead and take apart the passenger door panel and try to fix the interior lock. Unfortunately I did break the lock the other day, so you cannot unlock or lock the car from inside. It makes it a huge pain in the ass because I have to use the key to open the passenger door anytime I want to let someone in. Alright, let me show you guys what's going on. So here's the lock switch right here. See how it's just floppy? Well, unfortunately, it looks like the mechanism snapped off. I don't know what I'm gonna do. This kind of sucks. I think that the only OEM way to do it would be to take a trip out to a junkyard and find one of these locks and replace this whole lock mechanism. But I gotta find a way to do it so that it works right now, because it is just too annoying to have to use a key to open this. So I'm gonna have to figure out a way to make this work for now, just so that my passengers can lock and unlock their own door. Once I figure something out, I'll update you guys. I'll let you know what's going on. Peter, you want to tell the boys why you blew me off this morning?
Yeah, I was sleeping.
You're sleeping. Carnival mulch! Alright, so I guess Peter just got out of the shower, so I've got a little bit of waiting to do. Alright, I guess one more thing I could do while I wait for this dipshit to show up. I actually have the stock shift knob from my 8th gen SI that you guys might remember. I really like the shift knob on this car, except for it's all metal and it's really cold because the heat in this car isn't that fantastic. So when it's really cold out, that shift knob is so cold on my hand I literally have to wear a glove. I'm hoping that since this one is leather, it won't be so bad. So I'm gonna see if this thread pitch is the same on this shifter. If it is, we'll get it put in. I also think it's really cool because it kind of just shows, like, you know, this channel started with this car and a little bit of piece of it is going onto this car, and I love that. I think it's so cool. And you know what? I'm sure you guys will think that's cool too, so. Let's see if I can get this to go. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know, boys. Seems like it's a different thread pitch. Raisins. False alarm. I did get it on. It's probably a little bit cross-threaded, but it's on there. Doesn't look quite as cool as this cool silver one, but honestly, it'll be more purpose-built for the winter, so that's kind of the whole point of this car right now. Spring and summer is when we're gonna make it really dope. Alright, boys, so this is what my dumb 20-year-old YouTuber brain thought of. I essentially just hooked like a little hook on the mechanism, so that way you can pull it unlocked, push it to lock, and I'm just gonna close it all back up, and that's pretty much the end of that one. Who finally showed up. We actually got the coilovers in already. There are a few things that I want to tell you guys about these. On the back side of the coilover, there's a little itty bitty tab. How the system works is there's a bolt right here, you can see it, and that bolt squeezes this sleeve around the coilover. That's what holds it into the suspension system, the like arm. There's a little tab on the back side of the coilover that has to fit inside of that gap. So when you put this coilover in, make sure that that tab lines up with that slot. It's really important. I wish I could show you, but I can't because it's already in and I'm not taking it back out. This is pretty high ride height. I'm gonna double check it right now and make sure it lines up. And then we're good to put the tires back on up front and drop her down. What is going on here? What? You're supposed to say breakfast. breakfast. Here's the new ride height. I hope it's where I want it to be. Let's go. Whoa. Dude, perfect. Yeah. Yes, that is actually right where I want it to be. We're a little higher on this side, but it's pretty damn close.
Hey, buddy.
What's up? Nice, dude. You having fun with the Zoom?
Sure both tires are filled up the same way too, by the way?
No, I have to check the fucking... I have to check the tire pressure. It's got a ways to go. Yeah, dude, it's got a ways to go. You might have to stand on this. Buddy's gonna have to stand on this. We're not gonna be able to film it because we only have freaking 2 dummies here. Did I just break the impact gun, dude? I might have broken the impact. Yeah, good thing I got another one. Just broke the damn impact gun. All right, boys, we're about to drop her down. Rear coilovers are in. Moment of truth. How's she look?
Pretty good.
Pretty good? Like it's high enough?
Oh yeah.
The front's a little bit higher, but it's okay. Got a little bit of that rear squat. So it's like a 3-finger gap here and like a 4-finger gap up front.
Yeah.
All right, cool. 4 1/4. Uh-oh, this looks way lower, bro. 4 inches. All right, boys, so we're taking her out. We're gonna test the suspension. We did already take it out once, but we had a little bit of an issue with the idle, so we had to spend like another 30-40 minutes trying to fix the idle. Now we got idling like right at 1100 RPM. Idle's a tad bit high, but I'm just gonna leave it. It's fine for now. Peter's gonna film my reaction to the new suspension. And technically I did already experience this, but boys, you're gonna see. So like right off the bat, it feels more comfortable, less bouncy. We'll hit some bumps at a high speed, like right here. And like if I was on the other coilovers, that would have been so rough, but that was not bad at all. Also, no one in their right mind hits bumps like that fast. Here, let's do another one. Yeah, like that was nothing. Didn't even feel it. It's so much less bumpy. It was so bad before. All right, boys, so that's pretty much where we're wrapping up the video. The new coilovers are dope. They're really comfortable. That's where I'm in today's video. I just want to say thanks to Peter for helping out. It was pretty dope. I literally couldn't have done it without him. So you came all the way from the city to do this. So you guys spread some love to Peter in the comments. If you like the video, please leave a thumbs up. If you dislike the video, get the heck out of here. Please hit that subscribe button if you did like the video. And as always, plan, commit, execute, and attain, boys. Peace out.